Welcome to PPC Ad Editor tutorial. Dynamic keyword insertion is a feature that automatically customizes your ad text based on the user's search term, helping you boost relevance and click-through rates. In order for dynamic keyword insertion to work correctly, make sure your keywords are added to the ad group when creating a new preview or editing an existing one. You can enable dynamic keyword insertion while creating a new preview or editing an existing preview. Just ensure that the ad group contains keywords. Dynamic keyword insertion only works if the preview's keyword section is populated. In the list view, click on the preview button next to the desired ad. Navigate to your campaign, select the ad group where you want to use dynamic keyword insertion, and locate the responsive search ad, RSA, within that ad group. Dynamic keyword insertion can be added in both preview mode and edit mode. Click on the ad to open it for editing. Click on Add Headline in the form to create a new headline. Use Google's standard dynamic keyword insertion format. Click the Update button at the bottom of the form to save changes. Make sure these keywords Facebook Ad Preview Tool, Instagram Ad Preview Tool, LinkedIn Ad Preview Tool are added in the keyword section. Otherwise, the default text will be shown. After refreshing, click Randomize Variations to cycle through different keyword options and check how they fit into your ad copy. Click Randomize Variations to generate a new set of ad variations. The right-hand preview panel will display real-time examples of how keywords are dynamically inserted into your ad. And that's it. You've successfully applied dynamic keyword insertion to your RSA, making your ads more personalized and relevant to search intent. Just remember to always include keywords in your ad group for dynamic keyword insertion to work properly.